Hey guys, come with me and check out my latest listing I have here in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. This is located at 17500 Duquesne Road here in Fort Myers, Florida. It's in the south part of Fort Myers, close to Estero. Absolutely cool house that we're going to go in. We're going to take a look at. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage. One unique thing about it is it has a shed in the backyard. That could be a she shed, it could be a workshop, it could be anything and everything you'd ever want. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick walkthrough and check it out. This is located around the top rated schools of Lee County, and it's also located any shopping, dining, everything you want to need. Actually, it's located within 10-15 minutes of the airport. So let's go and take a look. Here we are stepping in at the entrance. This is a great room type floor plan. Nice big open front room here. Opens up to the open kitchen. Granite counters, wood cabinets. Like I said, one of the really neat features about this house is that building right there. You got a nice big backyard, nice and private and quiet. That building right there is a little over 350 square feet. It could be a she shed, it could be a workshop. Let me show you how it looks. There's really a nice lanai. You got a patio out here in the back where you can sun. Then you can go into your screen lanai. It goes all the way across the back of the house. Really nice area just to kind of enjoy your favorite beverage. So there it is. If you'd like to know how this can be yours today, we got some awesome finance plans. This can be a cash deal, a couple finance plans like what we have at Hometown Heroes right now, which is really good. Get you in with some good interest rates. Give us a call, shoot us a text, 239-233-4060. Jim Neal with Epic Realty. If this doesn't fit what you're looking for, please like and subscribe below, because we'll have more home tours coming in the future. Talk soon. Have a great day.